You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a happy Mother's Day. It is Mother's Day while I'm filming this, and I think I'm going to actually edit this tonight and post it tomorrow. So I hope y'all had a great weekend and a great Mother's Day to all the moms out there. But I am just sitting in my office or whatever, extra bedroom, and I was just about to do some cleaning. As you can see, have a lot going on over here. But I need to fold some laundry and do some more laundry and just kind of clean up. This pile of stuff in the back has just been driving me nuts. So I don't know, I just figured let me clean a little cleaning video. I had my pajamas on already. It's only like 7 o'clock, or actually it's 8 o'clock. But I just put, not much better, but I put like lounge clothes on so that I wasn't actually filming in my pajamas. But I actually picked up this new rug today. Let me know if you guys like it. Here, let me give you a better shot. Got this at Ross today. It was such a good steal. It's lighter in person. I'll have to get a shot of this and post it on my Instagram when it's sunny out, because it's getting darker and the lighting's not great in here, but it's a lot whiter than it looks. This was only $35. Granted, it was on clearance, but I thought that was such a great price. I think it is 5 by 7. And yeah, the regular price at Ross was $50, which I still don't think was bad. But yeah, it was on clearance for $35. And then I picked up this picture at HomeGoods, and I really like it. It's just kind of like an abstract. It has a little bit of glitter in there and blush tones, and I thought that that would look really pretty over the couch, because it would match these pillows. So I think I'm gonna ask Steven to help me hang that up right there. And then I don't know if y'all remember, in my old house I had floating shelves, so I think I'm gonna put some of those floating shelves over here. If this room was, I just wish this room was a little bit bigger. I wish we had one more room, because this just turns into a storage room just because we don't have a ton of space for stuff. So it's hard to keep this room in pristine condition all the time, because there just truly is nowhere else to put stuff. I'm rambling. I've been rambling for 2.5 minutes already. So let's just go ahead and get started cleaning. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, if you like content like this, if you haven't visited my channel before, I do cleaning routines, power hours, all that kind of stuff to motivate you to clean your home. I love videos like this, and I hope you do too. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you do. Let's just go ahead and get started and get to cleaning my spare bedroom.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body is giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your hands.
Okay, you guys, look at this. This has been sitting here since I moved in. It is a bucket full of gloves and hats. I live in Florida. What the heck am I doing? Why is this taking up valuable real estate? This needs to go out in the garage. I know I wanted to keep it because we're going somewhere cold for our honeymoon. So I remember I wanted to keep it, but it definitely doesn't need to be right here. I just couldn't believe it. Why do I have this sitting out here? So I need to put this
the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song and sang it loud. And I still remember parts of it, and the yellow glorious will it. Won't you be my guide and let me follow? Can I hold your hand for all time's sake? And all this time you waited for me. Little did we know, I guess it's fate. Now all is in our hands. All is in our hands. All is in our hands. Call it off, let it go. All for nothing, I should have known.
Alright guys, here is the finished product. It looks so much better. I'm going to put all of this stuff out in the garage tomorrow. Some wedding things and some of that cold weather wear. I will organize that with some other stuff. I'm going to try to find an empty tub. If not, I might have to pick up another one of those plastic totes at Target. But I'm so happy with how it looks. There is still some stuff over here. I have my clothing drying. Once that's all put away, it'll make the space feel a lot bigger. And then I have my gifts right here for my mom and dad's birthdays and for Mother's Day. Need to throw out the trash over there. And then my desk is all nice and clean. I got rid of a ton of jewelry. You guys saw a clip. I spent a ton of time doing that. I spared you all the details, but I went through all my jewelry that I've had since like high school, like costume jewelry. That is just not my thing. I tend to like more dainty jewelry and then like a couple of fun bracelets. So I kept all my bracelets over here. I have my not my beauty blender, but my makeup sponge over here. And then I've been really liking these. These aren't like real velvet, but those scrunchies for when I sleep because they don't put a dent in your hair. So I have those right there. And then I moved my TV up a little bit further and then put my other stackable jewelry organizers over here. So they're kind of nice and hidden. I really like how that looks. Originally when I bought those, I bought them to put into these top drawers, but they were just a little bit too big, but I really liked them, so I did keep them. And then I have my pictures over here that need to get hung up on the wall, so once those get hung up, this won't be such an eyesore. And then over here, I'm just gonna keep this under my desk, but these are all my props and things I use for teaching English online. If you guys didn't know, I teach English online and I'm really, really loving it. So yeah, this is the overview of the room. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. By the way, I'll try to link a similar rug down below. If I can find the exact one, I will link it, but if not, I'll try to link something similar. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day. Bye, guys.